Itchy eyes, runny nose, plenty of sneezing. If you're an allergy sufferer, you know spring is here.
Oh yeah, and allergy doctors say this is just the beginning of allergy season. LEX 18's Carolina Buchek has more in tonight's big story at 5:30.
That's the sound of spring in Kentucky. Doctors say allergies here are no joke. Mild Kentucky winters mean a rough spring allergy season.
If it doesn't get really cold or we don't have a spring frost, then spring pollens can just be devastating to some patients.
It's still early on in the allergy season, but doctors say they're already hearing about it.
We've had several patients already complaining that their allergies are killing them.
Of course, it could be worse. This video shows the situation in Georgia, where pollen is coming off of trees in giant doses. It almost looks like green smoke. Kentucky is not at this point yet, but doctors say this could be waiting for us. And if you suffer from allergies, you know how awful it is.
Actually, allergic rhinitis really affects quality of life significantly. So patients are just miserable.
But doctors say you don't need to be miserable this spring. There are good over-the-counter medicines. You just need to give them some time to work. But if you're still suffering, doctors can help.
Allergy shots are very effective if medicines and avoidance aren't managing your symptoms.
Covering the news, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.